To hide apps on Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, pay attention to this app right here called Amazon Music. Now we're gonna hide it by opening settings on our device. Then we can find the home screen options, and if we scroll down, there's the option to hide apps on home screen. If we select that, we'll be able to hide Amazon Music, and then if we click on done and go back to our home screen, as you can see, the Amazon Music is gone from our home screen, but you can still find it. If you have the app drawer, you can open it and search for this specific app, or you can search right here for the Amazon Music, and we should be able to actually find it. Or not. Okay, so if you want to actually find it, then you will need to remove it from the hide list. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.